how to join videos on Capcut. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. Today in this tutorial video, I will show you guys how you can join videos on Capcut. So let's get right into the video. Firstly, open your Capcut application. Now tap on New Project and select the video. Once you select your video, click on Add button. Now here, once the video is added, go to the last of the video. You can delete this outro by simply clicking on it and tapping on the delete button. Now in order to join the video, just click on this plus button. Now again select the video which you want to join. Once you select your video, again click on add button, and that's it. In this way you can join videos in Capcut. Now if you want to add the transition, just click on this white button and now you can add the transition on your video. And once you are okay with the video, just export it, and that's it. In this way you can join videos on Capcut. I hope you guys understood this tutorial. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you in next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.